So here we are, a new week and a new boat. This time we're on P&O Azura, which like many boats has started its summer season heading around the Mediterranean. In this video we take a look at the Superior Deluxe Balcony Cabin D610 on Deck 9. But we'll also be releasing full videos on the food available on the ship, as well as a tour on the boat and a look at some of the destinations. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell to ensure you don't miss out on these upcoming videos. And don't forget to give the video a thumbs up to help the video along. This is the Superior Deluxe Balcony Room number D610. It's on the 9th floor, D deck. So we'll go in and we'll take a look. Here we are, we'll just come in. This is the Superior Deluxe Balcony Cabin. And if you just come in immediately on the left hand side, you can see me in the mirror. Yeah, you've got your open wardrobe up the top with your life jackets there. Good thing about this cabin here is that you get the complimentary bathrobes with it as well. I think that's quite a handy feature. Into the bathroom. This cabin has actually got a full-size bath. I'm 6'1" and I can fit in there, no problem whatsoever, so it is really good size, standard. Shower is the shower curtain, unfortunately. The lever to change position for the bath or the shower, your on control and your temperature control here. And you do get the standard white coal shower gel and shampoo. We bring our own because I just think it leaves your hair really straw.
Good evening, young man.
Plenty of rooms for towels in here as well. And obviously you've got your toilet, massive mirror inside, and plenty of shelves. Yeah, lots of storage space in here. And then coming into the main cabin, you've got some storage here and a mirror, and then the first of two air conditioning controls. So you've got one in this bedroom area here, and one in the further area at the end. So we've got the twin bed option here. Massive mirror in the background. I like the mirrors in this room. We've got this huge lighting feature up above the bed. It's probably about 5 foot square. All the lighting has got this kind of porthole brass feature. Oh, it's quite nice. Some people say the room's dated, but I think it's actually quite a classic style to it. There's no actual outlets next to the bed. You've got your light switches here for on and off. These lights here have got their own control next to the bed, but the only place where you'll get the outlets are here on this desk here. I always bring a strip bar because I like more outlets. So that's the first day that you get it. There's two TVs in the room. They're a bit small and I don't like where they're positioned. They're bolted on, so they obviously don't fall off. But they're so far back that they kind of cut off the bottom of the TV from your viewing angle, so the positioning's not that great. Standard with this room, you also get a pair of binoculars. I've been looking out at the islands today, it's been quite good. And you get a Collins Atlas, you get champagne, you get canapes and fruit with this cabin as well. And you've got your standard fridge. Again, things are getting broken, it's a bit old, the cabin, it's lost its shelving, but there's still plenty of room in it. You can see a couple of pictures on the wall. It's a fair depth, this room. It's got, yeah, it's really long, so you're not short of space. I have not got a clue what this is. If anybody knows what this is, tell me. It's almost like a sensor of some kind that doesn't do anything if I switch it, or I haven't got a clue, and that's not a switch. So US power outlet there, your telephone. So there's two outlets there plus the US one, and then when you come into the sitting area, you've got another outlet there for the kettle and your TV there, and then this is where you find the second air conditioning control and a painting. And it's yeah, you've got a beautiful sitting area. We've enjoyed it. So again, TV is set really quite deep back, so when you're sitting on a chair, you're going to be able to express it here, but you're almost at times cutting off the bottom of the TV when you're relaxing. So yeah, it could be a little bit further forward. So walking out onto the balcony, you can see you've got two chairs there. They recline all the way back, and you've got your footstools as well. Got a cracking day. We're just sailing past Sicily today, so it's nice heading back. This is our last day at sea. We're just slightly aft. So this is an overlooked balcony, at least it's classed as that, although we've never really seen many people above us, so it's been fine. Certainly hasn't disturbed our trip. Back in the window again. Yeah, there's plenty of room. I would say there's probably about nearly 3 meters depth on the balcony, so you've got plenty of room to kick out and relax. We were out here this morning enjoying the sunshine. It was excellent. Yes, that's the room. Highly recommend this room. We found it much more spacious than the one on Arvia. Nice design, and obviously having the balcony helps.